Hello everyone, welcome back to Paul's Crazy Adventures. This time I'm going to do something so interesting you can't believe it. It might be one of my new favorite things. Are you ready? Day 2 of beekeeping. Yesterday we put everything in and I gotta tell you, this is like more fun than you could ever have. There's something about bees, they work hard, no attitude, they don't take a break. They're always kicking butt. So let's go over and take a look and you'll see what I'm talking about here. And we have bees, like you come down the yard and there's just bees everywhere. Check it out. So see this? So these are called feeders and these are the brood right here. And we have 2 of them and then there'll be one setting on top and that's where they're gonna make the honey. And we're just missing one more box. And as soon as we get the other box, it'll be just a little bit higher. But they already went through that entire thing of sugar water yesterday. So I just filled it up, but I put a second one in there. And you can see they're just working away. And what's so cool is to get in close with them like this. It's just like fun. And today I was working down by the waterfall down here and I had no bee suit on or anything. And there's bees everywhere in the water because they're getting the water. And I wasn't afraid and they're all around me. If they sense fear, they'll sting you, but it's totally cool. Now I don't know that I would get in this close to them without a bee suit on yet, but I'm having fun, man. And check this out. This is really cool. So this is called a flow hive, and basically it's beehive keeping for rookies like me, and they allow you to check it all out. So look at it. So there's all the bees in there. They're in the brood, and they're making all the food and getting ready for the queen to lay eggs. And so this flow hive allows you to look inside and check it all out and see what's going on. It's really cool. And then this box actually will be on the top. And this is where we'll see all the honey being made. And then we'll just open up the end right here. This is too premature because this is only one day. Then we open up this end right here. Let me see if I can get that off. And look at, there they are right there. Look at, there's live bees. And then the honey will set a jar right here and the honey will just come running out. It's really a cool system the way it works. But this is a brood right here, so you can see they're all in there just having a good time. Isn't this a beautiful system? Very, very cool. Anyways, so day 2 of beekeeping, having fun.